everyone, today I'm going to talk about my artwork. I am Le Ying and I have been in Artistori for many years and I have been upgrading class since I was 4 years old. For the project today, I did a phoenix and a flower. I used a Gongbi style to paint my phoenix and flower. The poem is written by 陆迷唐王迷，唯空山无人，但我听到有人的声音。返回现场，进入密林深处，重新照亮苔藓。The phoenix in the poem means to protect the life of people in the past and now. For the flowers, I use peonies because it guards the life of everyone. I have to improve for using the Gongbi style for painting all my stuff inside the artwork. For conclusion, I completed the painting within 10 weeks and did not delay on any more lessons to do this project.